First is December 23rd, Wednesday, 2020. The time on deck right now currently is 9:30 and 23 seconds. I forgot to push record a little while ago. I was upstairs doing some stuff, and I forgot to push record. So, current watch is OCGN. I don't like trading these cheap stocks. JAGX, ONTX, VVPR, FRSX, and a few others. If you go in the group here, you will see my list from this morning. It's not right there. Let's go to refresh. A little out of it this morning. Here we go. This morning watch list right there. All right. So I'm looking for a buy point somewhere around $2. So I'm gonna see for a quick, I think 140 shares. We're gonna see what happens. Sometimes I buy trades and hold them overnight, and I forget I have them sometimes. This has 162 million share float, but it's trading 141 million shares. That's a huge float, a huge amount of shares being traded. Now I don't want that. JAGX, I held it overnight. I'm getting rid of that. ONTX, not trading it, too cheap. OCGN, too cheap, not trading it. And so far, our leading gapper would be all these stocks that have way too high floats. I don't like any of them. The only one I like, even close. Oh, look at this. SCPS is back. Let me go to the group. SCPS is back. Now that was a big runner a few days ago. Check this out. Look back here about, we're going to say 10 days ago. Look at this. See back here? Here on the 17th, it was a $47 stock. And it pulled back, and now it's back again. 47 bucks. Went from $5 the day before to 47 bucks the very next day. From that point forward, straight pullback mode. And here we are now on the resurface for a dash back up maybe. Let's see. Any news? With zero news. Be careful. No news, right? All right. Let me turn my ringer off of my phone. I haven't traded anything yet. My small account, as you guys know. Well, phrase that. I had an overnight hold of HUSN. That's my overnight hold. So I haven't sold that yet. I'm going to hold it. This is a small account, so I'm going to hold that for a bit. Let's see. FENG, large float, don't like it. Still going to put it in my watch list anyway. GRNQ, too many letters. AMC, large float. CDEV, everything got large float. Best, large float. Let me fix my screen. My screen is messed up. Let me fix my my numbers up here. Let me move this like this. Hold on, y'all. I ain't recording, yeah. Okay, let me go up here, fix that. And then go my price here, fix that. And go to my volume here and fix that. Alright. 1 million shares being traded. Move this a little further like that. There we go. Get more space. Alright. That's 5. Is that 5 billion share float? It is. Wowee. That's nasty. Alright. OCGN. Move this down right there. Move this like this. Move this like this. And we can move this right this. And alright. Let me save this into my platform. I don't know how I messed it up. Alright, where we at? Where we at? That. Alright, perfect, perfect, perfect. So go up here, set up. And this is my workspace. I'm gonna save it as workspace as Ishimoku display. That way, any computer you go on down the line, it's going to save it. And you can go any computer down the line, anyone you see, log onto it, go to your setup, and then you upload your display immediately to that computer. You don't got to reset up nothing because it's already saved in the database. Make sense? Always say your platforms. That way down the line, you ain't got to reset everything because it'll be already sitting there. MVIS. Wow, look at dump. 5 day, 15 minute. Look at that pullback right there. That's nasty. That's nasty. That's nasty. All right. Try to find something right quick to trade. Hold on, y'all. Let me find a day trade right quick. Everything has a large float. You know, look at right here. 162 million share float. Here go one here. $10 stock. VVPR. Let me go to my charts. ENG, that's the move right there. But look at the float. ENG has a 14%. What ENG? I only see it there. Why didn't I put ENG in there? Okay, let's see. ENG, 27 million share float. Let's watch this. Watch this movement, ENG. They don't have many shares being traded yet, but it has 27 million share float. So right here, I'm going to say watch for watch the movement ENG with volume. Here come the move right here. 5 day, 15 minute. We oversold, right? 5 day, 5 minute chart is going to show the pullback. We needed to pop 215. Possible 215 buy-in. I got allergies pretty bad. So you hear me clear my throat, it's allergies. I missed the point, didn't I? I did. Let me watch this point. That's 215 right there. Check my auto send. Look for volume come in. We have 6 million shares still. Look at RELV. That's nasty. OCNG. Did it hold on volatility? I think it did. I missed out on that one. It sure did. I straight missed that. So I'm gonna do is hop in it off this halt. Watch this. I push buy now. It'll hold. Let me go here. Watching for a buy-in on OCGN out this halt. Now, what I did was this now, I put my buy order in, right? You see it here? It's not going to fill until it come out the halt. Now, I wasn't watching. I was looking at everything else, but I did notice down here had the same amount of shares in the float that was being traded. Now, look at the news here. You'll see halt on volatility had news this morning, early this morning, but not nothing spectacular to make it halt on volatility. But it did. Now, I didn't see it. I missed out. However, I put the buy order in right now. As you see, it's still holding right there. It's going to buy it wherever it opens up at. Now, look at this right here. It was a strong sell-off and then a very bullish move up, right? Meaning, out this break, it's going to open up higher. Here we are. Opening price is 242, which is right there we at right now. However, we on the first green candle out that halt. It was oversold. All of a sudden, it came bullish. It took off. I didn't want to buy early because the amount of shares it had in the float. I didn't like it. However, sometimes that thing run regardless. You see here, way too many shares being traded on this float. It went into halt at, the halt time was, damn, SCPS halted too. I didn't see that. 9:34.54. There we go. We out. Let me watch for the sell. Second halt. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We need buyers. And they're going to pull back for a bit. Profit taking. Watch for a run up. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Look for $3. Let's see what we can do. It's very odd to come out of a halt and not halt again on the way up. That was the first halt on the day. Let's see what happens right here. Now this is what I do rarely. Rarely I buy a stock right at the halt and I get out at second halt. Profit taking right now. It's expected. Gonna watch it for a minute. I'm gonna hover over this. We should have a big move right here. In the last 5 days, 15 minutes, you're gonna see it's as high as it's been. We're on the incline. See that? 10-day, 180-day, 40 out. Oh, look at that. 2 days in a row. I'm trying a new strategy right here that I use sometimes. I usually buy it right during the first halt, and I get out of it right before second halt. This time it didn't do what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna hold off for a minute though, because it gotta pop this 200% mark and run up. Let me hover over here for a minute. Go into my large account. You can trade many ways. One day, one trade may not work the way you want it to. The next day it may. It may change the very next day. The market is it's tricky sometimes, you know. If I'd have saw it earlier, the pattern, I would have seen it going into a halt. But I wasn't looking at the pattern. All I cared about at that moment was the float. And the float was way too high. So I didn't even bother to think about even trading it. However, I'm in it now. OCGN. Let me get my large account. Hop in it for a quick couple dollars. I'm in right here, my large account at $2.15. And we're looking for 280-ish. Let's see what happens right here. Meanwhile, we got SCPS, halting on volatility, is in the group as well. SCPS. And we're going to try to hop in that for some money. Let's go to this move up. I told you guys already that SCPS is back, so it's in the group. And we're going to try to find something else. FRSX. See what that's doing. FRSX. Now, when I bought that stock at the halt, you notice it wasn't much of a gap between the bid and the ask. It's only 1 cent. So that told me that it wouldn't open up like I wanted to on a very large bull move. However, a lot of times that happens. People will buy in that halt like I did right there. They hop out of it in that first run up. Let me go over here. All right. It's going to crack $3. Let's watch it. Watch this curve up. That's that pull back. Let me go over here. SCPX. SCPS on the halt. We go back over here. Let's get this move right here. We need a couple buyers to come in. Here come the buyers, less sellers. I'm in 247, but look at here. Let's watch right here. Here come the buyers. Look at that. Big buyers. Big buyers. Big buyers coming in. Look at them buyers piling in. They're trying to short it. Look at them buyers. Look at that. That's 1 million shares. They buying 1 million shares at a time. They're buying 1 million shares at a time, taking their profits. There we go. Let's make that move right here. We need a large green candle right here. The EMA, VWAP is way down here. EMA is up here though. The EMA is higher than VWAP, which usually means it's bullish. Whenever the EMA higher than BWAP, that's bullish. Let's go. I had a good buy-in price too. Just didn't get the money I wanted, so I held on a little bit. We're gonna pop 250. See right here? It's gonna pop 250%. Look at that. 202 million shares being traded on 162 million share flow. It's a lot of shares. Let's watch it for a minute. We need to curve up right here. That to be long green candle like this one here was. And that's gonna be another halt. On the second halt, I'm gonna hop out of it. Here come the buyers. Reverse on this. Curve up. And let's move. Now you can always buy a stock after the first halt. A lot of times you'll see it do that. And it's going to hop out of it for a good little profit and keep on pushing. Sometimes it works in your favor. Sometimes it don't. I've been off my game a little bit this week. It's okay though. OCGN. OCGN. I traded SCPS, my large account. JAGX also traded as well. GRNQ. I'm about to sell my Bitcoin stocks I have, BTSC and BTCS. You'll see the profits as well. Sell that one and then sell that one. We're going to make a move right here and watch it take off. Take what the market gives you, right? Don't force it. I could have took my little 11, 12 cents earlier, but I didn't do that. All right, let's go. Let's go. Here come my OCGN trade right here. My sell target is 250 on my large account. Maybe a little large. Let me see. 250. Yeah, 250 in my large account. Maybe. Let me see. FRSX. All right. I was off my game this morning. I was upstairs and I wasn't logged on, and my mouse wasn't hooked up, and I could record. So many variables this morning, but I'm here. Add to watch list. Add to watch list. CLNE, FENG, EMAN is back. Watt, FSAIL is back. DSS is back. AKTS. Same stocks repeating itself over and over and over again. Sun W is back. VVPR is back. EYES, 3 days in a row is back. CCRC, that's back. WSG, that's back. Same stocks over and over again, right? MTL is back. Hold on. Where we at? Where we at? WSG, MTL, EVGN, HUSN, SLGG, KOS, WPRT, SWN. What you got to do in the market that's indecisive, you got to find strategies that work for you. In this case, I saw the first halt. I hopped in right at the first halt. It came out of the halt. I got in a good price. It rolled up. I didn't sell. I held a little longer than I should have. And it pulled back on me. My goal was to hop in this halt, come out of it, run up, sell prior to second halt. Didn't do that. It happens sometimes. But look over here. We had one bar, buy bar, pull up. Then it pulled back. Here, notice here. Here you at 39 or 40, want to say, on the RSI. Next stop was 44. Next stop was here, 47. Next stop is here, 57. Next stop should be here, right? It should continually go up. Make sense? Draw your channel here, regression channel. I'm going to draw it heading down. You'll see the channel perfectly. Here, to here. Draw that, and then extend to the right. Watch the channel. It should technically blow this channel, then it run up. I'm gonna hop out of it on the run up. If it breaks this channel, I'm gonna get out of it. Perry, P-E-R-I. Let me go over here to my charts. P-E-R-I. Right there. We in here on OCGN. Put that right there. And I'm put over here SCPS, which keep halting on volatility. Matter of fact, ENG. ENG right there. All right. Notice this though. Channel right here is breaking it, right? The problem is I didn't draw it right. I should have drew it like this. From here, bottom point, to here. Didn't do that. Escape. From here to here. There we go. You don't want to draw what I want to draw. It's not. Yeah. Look at ENG. I'm going to hop in it right quick. If I can log in fast enough. I'm all over the place this morning, man. All discombobulated. Sometimes the day starts messed up, you can finish it good. So you can't even complain about it. ENG, ENG, ENG. $255. Watch this move here in ENG. Versatile on Riot. Look at Riot right here. 1405, 1410 would be a potential buy-in point for me. Let's see if we can get on Riot. Let me see. RIOT. RIOT. There go 1412. Missed my buy-in. Of course. Riot for a potential sell of 1455. Yeah. So Riot. So 1465. All right. And there is the ENG move right there I said earlier. My sell target 255. It hit 254. I'm still holding it right now. Look like 250 top right. I need 255. I put it here. Where we at? My sell target is 255. I'm gonna put plus because I'm gonna go higher than that. It hit 54. 54, 54, 54. Looking for 1465 on Riot. Looking for 1465. Riot. All right. I was so out of it this morning. It's crazy. Perry. Let me watch this move on Perry. Perry. Am I in Perry? I am not. I'll hop in Perry right quick. Like this move here for a run to high of day again. Let's see. Perry. Let me see. 1750-ish, maybe. Let's see. We go over here. Watch this move here on Perry. All right. Here we are. I said 1465, right? On Riot, bottom right. Hit my Riot here. Reversal Riot, 1465. Look here, we have 1430 and climbing. I said 255 here, hit 254 and then pull back. We still got time. Here, I said maybe new high of day, retrace it with 1785. Look here, I said to you, watch this move here on Perry. Hopefully we can revisit to high of day. High of day is 1785. Let's watch, 35 and climbing. $14.40, bottom right, on Riot. SCPS is still going nuts. Where we at? So, remember, was 47 bucks. We're gonna say nearly 48. Now SCPS ran the other day with no news. It's doing the same thing again. You know, that's dangerous. That's asking for it. You know what I mean? That's asking for it. All right, me screenshot my SCPS trade. Where we at? Bottom right, we have 1450 on Riot. I said 1465. Let's see what happens. SCPS trade is right there. Done. And it's still rolling. SCPS. I might hop in again with no news. That's crazy how it runs like that with no news, right? That's crazy. But be careful of pump and dumps. They will pump on you and blow up in your face, and you be stuck holding the bag. All right, let's see. My trades up here on BTSC and BTCS. Again, they move as Bitcoin move. So those two trades right there. And I traded Jack X this morning. And you know by now, I don't like trading stock less than $1. But when it's moving pretty good, you gotta hop on. You gotta get some of that money. Where we at? That's my Jag X trade and GRNQ. GRNQ, which is another couple dollars right there. And pull down like that. Now I said earlier to you guys that this float was way too large, but I saw it was trading 161 million shares at that moment. I said, wait a minute, this float is way too large, but it's trading that many shares this morning. That's ridiculous. Either A, is bag holders, or B, some better news is coming. So I hopped in out the halt. It stalled me and pulled back immediately. I hopped in right here, 247-ish, ran to 262. I didn't sell, I held on, and it pulled back on me. Look up top here. 255 is coming. All right, ENG, 255, my sell point. Let me see, Riot. We getting there. Let me go into the group and post my trade so far. Where we at? That's one. That's my GRNQ trade. That's two. That's my JAG-X trade. Look up top right, ENG. We almost there. And here is my Bitcoin trades, BTSC and BTCS. And my last one to trade right here is going to be this one here. What's this one? SCPS. 249. We almost there. Top right. Look at top right. ACST. Let's go up here. ACST. Cheap stock. Take a gander. PERI. I'm not trading that. If we revisiting the high of day, I'm gonna tell you as well what I'm talking about. Go down here. May surpass pre-market high of day. $250. We need one big bar to come in and blow it past 255. OCGN. Why is it fading so horribly? That float was way too large, but that halt, man, that halt got me. That halt got me. 250. There we go. Let's go. Always try to tweak your strategies. Like, use ones you ain't used in a while. See if those work. Use ones you use now. There we go. 255. There we are. Target reached. Reached target of 255. Yeah, try stuff that works months ago, weeks ago, years ago. May work again. I said look for 257 plus, right? Here we are. Possible 215 buy-in. Watch the move here. My sell target is right there. Reach target. So all in a 30-minute time frame. Right? 25-minute my buy-in, I gave it to you. And here we are. Popped in right here, 215, right about there. And the run up. This right here, this Perry wants to go up to revisit the high, but it doesn't got the volume it need right now. It's currently pulling back. However, their RSI is showing a reversal. So yeah, indecisive. Meanwhile, my OCGN trade I bought earlier for a quick run up is failing me horribly. However, look at here. Look at the 5-day 15-minute chart. See that? It's straddling the VWAP. I'm okay with that. Right? Consolidation. We selling, but it's not that bad. We need one big buyer to come in. Look at the news here. It halted once and then it stopped. Usually it halts twice, 3 times up. It halted only once. Very unusual. A stock ready ever. I say ever halts only one time. This stock only did that one time, which is very weird. Look at Perry, ABCD pattern. Watch for this ABCD pattern on Perry. See that? I put it in the group and there it is right there. It wants to form. It wants to go. Let me go right here to this. And watch this right here. There we go. 1706. 1704. Right? High of day is up here. I'm in Perry. And my sell point is 1750. Let me look at my I'm in 1687. Okay. My sell point is 1750, right? Yep. I'm gonna go a little lower than that. I'm not being greedy. Let me go 17. What's that you line there? Bollinger Band. 1745. My sell point. They go $17. I'm out of ENG too, right? Yep. Did I put ENG in the group? I think I did. Let me go look and make sure. Let's see what I got down here. I didn't. ENG, FRXX, both those missing. Let me add those now. ENG, FRSX. GNRNQ, is it already there? Yeah, it's there. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go here to my FRSX and my ENG. I'm going to save my photos and go right here, right below my man right here. My main man James and my main man Quick, and put my trade right below they comments. You put this right here and put that right there, and you should pop up immediately. Should show right here in a minute. Let's see. There we go. ENG FRSX. There you go. Got your love. All right. Look right here. Perry building up steam. Perry. Where we at? Perry. All right. Building up steam. Now I said to you, watch this current ABCD pattern, right? Look what it's doing. It's making that move. They go 20. 21. I'm in this video at 10:15. I'm not feeling this video this morning. It's one of them days. 22. 28. They go 30. So I said Perry. I said, oh, here we go. Selling at about 1750. Oh shoot. I click on, it's already 750. Oh man, I missed that. 740. 44, 45. Did it sell? Perry. Nope, didn't sell. Okay. My sell order is 17. Yeah, 45. Why didn't it sell? Interesting. Must have tapped it and came back out. There Go 40 right there. Need one big buyer to come in right here and hop at 45, and I'm gonna hop out of it at 50-ish. Let's see what happens right here. Top left, I'm looking right here. I'm watching this. I'm watching this as well. 30, one buyer, 33. Let's go. Need one big buyer to come in on this Perry. Up top. Did it halt on volatility? Nope, 39. Are you acting like this, stupid? 4 minutes left from any video. Perry, that's 38 right there. Keep banging at 38 right there. I said 50, right? Keep banging 38 though. That's indecisive. I'm watching OCGN right here. So I'm gonna go in the group here and say OCGN. Here we go. Watch for watches a new 5-minute high. $39 right there. See it banging 39? It is banging at 39 mark, ain't it? OCGN need a new 5-minute high. A new 5-minute high would be 236. Let's watch what it do here. Let's see, we're here. They keep banging the 28 mark and pulling backwards. We don't want that. 5-day, 15-minute. 5-day, 5-minute. Here we go. Let's watch. There we go. 5-minute, 5-minute. New 5-minute high. Right? 1, 2. Look here. Watch for a new 5-minute high. Here it is right here. New 5-minute high. He's gonna move 220. Video ends in 2 minutes. I'm gonna call it a day. You see what happens here? It looks like it's making support. See this lime green line, or this turquoise line? That's the VWAP, 203, that's support. There we go. Make that move. I bought it in 241, so I'm up here somewhere, 247, so I'm up here. I'm 20 cents off still. Video ends in 1 minute, regardless of where I'm in trade or not. But 1 minute, the video ends. Here go this bull run we need right here. Need 2 or 3 more candles. I hop out of it, break even, or maybe some profit above it. I can easily right now buy it here and average down. Look here, solid green candle, curve up, burgundy. So right here, perfect time to buy the average down. I can buy in right here, average down, hop out at 230, 235, and be done with it. But I'm gonna hold on what I already have, not buying anything. 10:15. All right, time on deck 10:15. Today was a crazy day. I got off to a bad start. I was everywhere this morning, didn't log in fast enough, and so on and so forth. The mouse died. we can go on for days what happened this morning. But with that being said, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. One trade away, and stay green.